我现在是创意总监，我在里奥贝纳。That was bad Chinese, actually.
I don't know. You would know, not me. Yo, what's going on? My name is Ryan Brown. I'm a senior copywriter at Leo Burnett.
Yo, my name is Yi Ma. In Chinese, it's Ma Yi. I'm a creative director at Leo Burnett.
We want to welcome you to the Creative Advertising course presented by Elevator. No matter what level you're on, whether you're new to advertising, just out of school, or maybe you're trying to do a career change, me and Yi got something that for sure you can learn and take away from our class.
In this course, not only you have to understand the role of yourself and working with your partner, you will also have a shared vision with your partner to achieve great work.
For a limited time only,
For the best deal on this planet.
you're gonna get 2 instructors for the price of 1. Me and Yi have been working together for more than 5 years. We worked on brands like Kellogg's, Marlboro, Black & Mild, Jim Beam, and we're gonna make sure that you understand how to go from brief to presentation deck, and even throughout the whole course, we're gonna make sure you learn how to work with the partner, learn the roles of a copywriter, learn the roles of an art director, and even learn how to get your CEO coffee.
You will learn to develop visual concepts and also languages. Brand identity is really important. I will teach you all about it.
We're gonna teach you all how to do peer reviews, get feedback, get critiques, and also learn how to implement all of that information into your 360 campaigns. Plus, we're gonna teach you how to choose the right media channel for your campaign. We're talking print, TV, social media, out of home. Whatever you can imagine, we're gonna teach you how to do it.
We'll teach you how to present your ideas to your client, to your internal team, and to your bosses. And then if you have any questions, don't feel hesitate to ask us during the office hours.
Everything in this class is gonna lead up to a portfolio project where you're gonna get a provided brief and you're gonna get to go from step 1 to step 100 and turn up all the way. On top of all that great stuff, me and Yi are gonna make sure we teach you the really hard-hitting stuff in advertising.
I'll teach you how to cook the perfect bowl of white rice. And also how to dance like a robot.
Oh.
Oh, I just touched the mic.
It's because you're dancing too hard, man. Oh. I really like the glasses move a lot. All right, y'all. Class is starting soon. See you at Creative Advertising presented by Elevator.
Be there or be